Are you ready for that raise, but can't get it out of your boss? Have you pinched all the pennies you can, but inflation is still deflating your wallet? Do you have low interest rates and manageable payments, but no line of sight to being debt-free? Then you need to learn about credit line banking powered by Truth in Equity. Credit line banking, or CLB, gives your paycheck a power boost to fight off inflation and a strategic plan to accelerate the payoff of your debt. Whether you're feeling the pinch or feeling financially fit, CLB will work for you 24/7. Increase your financial IQ, and financial abundance will follow. Check out credit line banking today at truthinequity.com. Learn how to CLB, and you'll never feel the pinch ever again. Are you where you want to be? Do you CLB? You should be. Visit truthinequity.com and take control of your financial future. Truth in Equity, empowering you to secure your financial freedom with credit line banking. Join the countless individuals who have already discovered the benefits. Visit truthinequity.com today.